Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today it's Friday Freebie Day. We are on number 91. Now I've got this lovely envelope for you today, and again it's in the same daisy theme that we've had last week as well, and this is so lovely. So we have a beautiful envelope. It's a nice big envelope. So last week's paper that I did would go in here lovely. So I'm going to show you how to make it. It's very simple, and it is lovely. So here we go. Now I've used one of my paper clips, my Oopsie Daisy paper clip that we did in yesterday's video, and it is gorgeous. Look how it folds, and you've got the beautiful bee on here, and it is gorgeous. Now what I've done, I've taken the two pieces, or the paper from last week, and just cut it in half and made two lovely writing papers, same as like we did last week as well, and they go in there perfectly, fold over, and then the paper clips just pop on. Now again, you don't have to use a paper clip. I have got the ones that I did yesterday, if you can remember, or if you saw the video. There's another one here, and I just think they go really well. But again, you don't have to use those. You could use a little bit of ribbon, if I can say it. Let's just cut this little bit off here and just tie that in a little bow to tie it closed. So you can have a little bow in the middle like that, which is gorgeous, isn't it? So simple to do. Look at that. Isn't that a lovely Easter gift or a Mother's Day gift in there? Beautiful card you could make. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. Now I've already cut it out, which is here. I'm going to take my scoreboard like this, and I'm just going to show you how simple it is to score. Let me just open that up. Now it's easier to score down the lines. Now I hope I'm in frame here. So I'm just going to score down these lines here. You can see them very faintly on there, and I find it easier to score. You get a nice crisp edge like that. So I'm just going to pop it on the edge like that and just score down. Oops. Make sure you go down the right line. Down this one. If you haven't got a scoreboard, again, you can just fold it, or you can put a ruler up against the side of it and bend it up so it's flat, or so it's straight. And then we'll just, sorry, I'm probably out of shot there. There we go. Like that, and that just comes down. So it's very simple. Let's just close this up, pop that to the side, and I'm going to fold the two sides in, fold this bit up if I can, like that, and then fold this one over like that, and there we go. There you have your beautiful envelope, and so simple. Now I'm going to just ink the edge just a little bit, just this edge here. Now you can edge it in all sorts of colours. I use the vintage photo, which is this one, which I get asked a lot which one I use, and it's a vintage photos distress ink. And it is the one that really goes with most things. If you want to sort of like make it all sort of vintage, it does go really well. So let's just ink that just a little bit around the edges, just on there. I'm not going to ink this bit because I think I'm going to leave that sort of white. So I'm going to pop a little bit of glue on here, if it will come out. There we go. Down the corner like that. Make sure we've got it along this edge and along the bottom. Again, this side along this little bit here. Down here. Sugar along along the edge, and then we just fold that up. This is just some tacky glue in there, so it's just some paper glue you can use. PVA glue like that, or glue stick. You can use glue stick as well, and there we go. Lovely. Now the envelope, let me just get the paper. What did I do with it? Here we go. This was last week's. Now the pockets that we made, if you can remember, we did the sort of like 3D pocket. This fits in there perfect like that. So you can have that, you can print off a couple of these and put them in there so they fit in the pockets perfectly. And the other side that we did, so we've got the paper here, so that paper can go into there like that. And it also fits in this pocket, so it's just the perfect fit for the paper there. And then again on the other side where we made the belly band, this will just sit in there as well. So look at that, absolutely perfect. So it goes so lovely together. So you have a lovely, lovely insert for your journal and a beautiful postcard. And again, if you wanted to add a little paper clip, this is the embellishment set that I have in the Etsy shop. And again, if you are a Ko-fi member, a monthly Ko-fi member supporter for me, you will get these embellishments for free. So pop over to Ko-fi and you can print off the 6 pages for free on there. So part of your Ko-fi thingy-majiggy over there. So look at that, oopsie daisy, fabulous, love it. And also if you had these as well, which I've got a couple here, you can have the little daisy and you could stick that on there like that, couldn't you, on the back? Or you could even have it as a little, so it tucks in. But maybe I'm going to put that on there. I might actually pop that on there. I quite like that on there. Where's my glue? Let me just stick it. I think I'm going to just stick it flat on there. Like that. Which I think looks really nice. And again, if you bought all these, are in my Etsy shop. So as well, if you bought the papers, you could make some different. Whoops! I don't know whether that's very straight. I've stuck it on, but never mind. That's okay. You could make different letters in there with different papers. But look at that! Love it! Love, love, love. And I love that. So there we go. So there we go, guys. That is your Friday freebie for this week. So that's what you will get. You will get a lovely envelope like that. Very, very simple. You can print off a couple and you can have lots of lovely daisy envelopes. And just simple, simple to make. So there we are. Okay, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, have a fantastic weekend. I hope you've all had a good week. Mine's been a busy one again. So I'm quite looking forward to a nice quiet weekend, I think. A little bit of fussy cutting in front of the TV with a nice glass of wine. So there we are. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. All right, guys, bye-bye.